In order to create a regenerative circular economy with this new nutrient palette, we need to build bridges between disciplines who have deep knowledge in terms of materials, but don't necessarily talk to one another. So for example, material scientists, chemists, biologists, ecologists who study nutrient cycles, and also the whole landscape of innovators that includes artists, designers, people like everyone who actually has an intuitive and aesthetic sense of materials and wants to engage with them. We need to build bridges between all of these ways of viewing our material world in order to create a dialogue around what material palette makes sense for this next generation of manufacturing. And in order to do that, we also have to have some standards of making and generating information, so protocols for testing, protocols for sharing good quality data across different types of disciplines and translate that knowledge appropriately.